Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your earbuds LG TONE Free. Firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on, so on your Apple device go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and if it's disabled just enable your Bluetooth. And if you have Android, use the control panel, right here you can check it. After that, you need to tap at your earbuds if it do not reconnect automatically. You need to tap on it at the device list. And we have connection. If it didn't help you, next step is to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Your earbuds are disconnected now from your phone, and then you open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect to your phone. Now we have connection. If it also didn't help you, next step is to remove and add these earbuds. So click at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds, then forget the device and forget device. If you have Android, click pair new device at the top. And after that, right here at the top of these earbuds, we have these dots, right here and right here. This one is touch areas, and you need to press and hold on it until this little light starts blinking blue. We just enter to pairing mode, so you will see your earbuds at the device list, and you just tap on it. And we just reconnect it. Now, if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, also put your earbuds to the charging case, but do not close the case. Open this lid. You need to press and hold at the touch areas, right here, we have it, at the top, for at least 10 seconds, until this LED light starts blinking red. So press and hold. Firstly, it enters to pairing mode, it starts blinking blue. We keep holding these touch areas. Now we have the red LED light, so you can release your finger. And firstly, we need to remove these earbuds from the phone. So, at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Forget and forget. Don't forget to click pair new device on your Android, and after a factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically. So, you will see them at the device list and you just tap on it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!